Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today I'm doing a Carlibybel look. No, I'm not trying to look like her. I am using only her products, her eyeshadow and her lipsticks. That's all the products she came out with that I have. So I'm going to be using different mascara and obviously different falsies. So yes, I'm really excited to do this look because finally she came out with a lippy lips that I could use to make a full look right here. So I'm really excited about this. She is one of my favorite beauty gurus. She really inspired me to get into makeup and do makeup and put makeup online and everything like that. So if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. So I would like to thank her if she ever watches this video. Probably not, but I really hope she does one day. So you want to see how to get this halo, I don't really know the pink look. Yes, I think it's pink. It's kind of like an iridescent pink. Like there's other shades to it. And I really like it. It's like one of my favorite colors in this kit. Yes, I do understand that this kit was limited edition and it no longer exists. So it's mostly this video is just to kind of play around with makeup, show it off. Unless you guys have this kit or you have shades extremely close to it, this is a tutorial for that. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like this look. I don't know what I'm going to call it quite yet, but obviously by the time I have this video up, there'll be a name in the title. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's get started. I'm priming my eye with Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer to help brighten and hold the colors. To set the concealer, I'm using a light peachy color from BH Cosmetics Carlibybel Deluxe Edition palette. I will be using this palette throughout the video, so when I mention a palette, this is the one I am talking about, so I don't have to repeat myself constantly. I hope that's okay with you guys. Using the same yellowish tone, I'm going to pat this onto my brow bone. From the same palette, I'm taking this color that I'm not quite sure how to describe. It is like a mix of a light mauve and brown. With a fluffy brush, I am brushing this onto the end of my lid and into the crease, using circular motions to really blend the color out. I go in with more after to help define the crease. Taking the mauve color next to it, I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush to get more of a precise blend. I'm going to blend the color along the crease and at both ends of my eyelid, adding more color to deepen the shade as I go. For the center of the lid, I am taking this beautiful goldish pink and patting it onto the center of my lid using my finger. Taking the burgundy color, I'm going to blend this at the end of my eye, brushing it towards the center. Going back to that brownish mauve, I'm going to sweep it at the end and at the tear duct of my eye, avoiding the center. I'm going to do the exact same thing but with the mauve color, placing it on top of the brownish mauve. Going back to the goldish pink, I'm going to brush this at the center of my lower lid. Taking the burgundy color, I'm going to blend it at the very end of my lower lid. For the inner corner of my lid, I am taking this pink highlighter from the kit and blend it around the tear duct. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes in Page Boy. For lipstick, I'm using her MacLeod collaboration lipsticks and liners. I'm starting off with lining my lips with Luna and then filling them in with her lipstick Libra. To gloss in my lips, I'm using the shade Supernova and placing it on the center of my bottom and top lip. And that's the look, guys. Like I said, I only use Carlibybel's eyeshadow and lipsticks. Her new El Maquillage lipsticks. I'm really excited about it. I got the entire kit, which cost me a good bundle of money, but I'm a big fan of hers, so I decided to splurge a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope it was easy to follow. I hope that if you don't have her kit, her eyeshadow kit, you can at least find colors very close to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.